Your schools, your students, your future. This January, the Putnam Valley community will have the opportunity to vote on a transformative capital improvement project that will shape our schools and community for generations to come. This project will tackle key infrastructure challenges identified in our Building Conditions Report and is the culmination of the work of the District Facilities Planning Committee, which worked for well over a year to identify and prioritize project details. At its core, the project focuses on much-needed infrastructure upgrades, including the retaining wall and parking lot at the middle and high school campus, aging roofs and heating systems, and accessibility barriers. By addressing these needs now, we prevent more costly repairs in the future and ensure that our schools remain safe, functional, and welcoming. The proposed project will be tax neutral, as it replaces existing expiring debt. The majority of the funding will come from state aid and the use of capital reserve funds, ensuring no impact on school taxes for our community. The timing of the project allows the district to address critical infrastructure needs while minimizing the impact on the taxpayer and also limits disruptions to the student's school day. At the elementary school, we will transform the library into a student learning commons, a modern, innovative space that inspires creativity and collaboration. The nurses' suite will be expanded and upgraded with better air quality, isolation spaces, and a welcoming atmosphere to meet our students' needs.
Outside, an additional area will be designed especially for our youngest students and will improve accessibility for all students. We will also complete our transition to geothermal heating and cooling, saving the significant expense of replacing aging oil burners, as well as reducing future energy costs and eliminating dependency on fossil fuels. At the middle school, improvements start with safety and accessibility. A redesigned parking lot with new lighting, sidewalks, and a dedicated bus lane. Inside, instructional spaces will be enhanced with redesigned rooms, small group spaces, and updated classrooms. For our performers, new lighting and controls will enhance the performing arts experience. At the high school, essential infrastructure work will replace the failing retaining wall and the original flat roofs, which are now more than 25 years old. Solar panels will be installed on the Wellness Center roof, reducing utility costs, and the parking lot will be resurfaced. Improvements will make the courtyard and outdoor learning spaces more accessible, and the current weight room will be updated to accommodate the needs of our students, including those in our IB dance class. Best of all, the proposed work at all three schools can be accomplished without an additional tax burden. A substantial portion, $9.2 million, will be funded by state aid, with an additional $2.5 million coming from our Capital Reserve Fund. Careful long-term planning allows us to address infrastructure needs without increasing the tax burden for our community.
To find additional information, please visit our website. The vote will be on January 28th. Mark your calendar and make your voice heard. Together, we are building a brighter future for our students and our community. Remember to vote at Putnam Valley Elementary School on January 28 from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.